Oh my god.
What?
You have different flavors of ranch here?
Of course.
Chipotle ranch.
Yep.
That's gonna taste sublime on my chicken. Mate.
Bro, you don't need them all. One is enough.
Bro, this is for if you've had too many calories in a day. You get the light one, okay? The buttermilk, I guess, is more fatty, which is nice. This one's with avocado oil. That means it's quality. So if you're
Okay.
feeling a bit more bougie, avocado oil.
Guess.
Chipotle, bro. Chipotle and ranch, the two best things in America. Mix them together on chicken. Are you
got me.
mad? This is gonna go in a second.
This guy, bro.
$169.